Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you can make your BMW smell better by running an ozone generator, which is an air purifier, which should help get rid of any of the smells that come in your car. Sometimes when your car is old, like such as an E46 that I have, starts to smell a little moldy. The crayon smell starts to come along from all the insulation. This ozone generator, you run it in your car, and the nice thing about it, it plugs into your cigarette lighter right here, and it doesn't need to be just ran on a BMW E46. It'll work on any car for that matter. It'll help get rid of some of the odors that exist in your car. It's really good at clearing the odors out. So I'm just gonna go over how to use it and just let you guys know how it works and how it changes the smell of the interior of my car. I'll bring out the instructions and tell you guys a couple things about it, but they do say you have to run it a couple times. It's not necessarily like a one and done thing, but we'll go over that in the next clip once I have it all set up, and I'll show you guys how to use it and how it works. So here are the instructions. It first tells you to turn on the AC, which I did. So I turn the AC on. I have it blowing all the way. I turn the AC down all the way. I have the fan up. I don't have it up too loud. I don't want it to be too loud for you guys to hear. I have the AC on. I turn this vent, the vent that lets in cold air, I turn that all the way down to, this way, all the way down to cold, and nice cold air is coming out. They say to let the car vent out if it's a hot day. It is not a hot day. It's pretty cold out. It's around 40 degrees, so I did not do that. But I do have it plugged into my cigarette lighter, and they say put it down in the footwell, which it is. It's not on right now. As you can see, it just has, if I press that button, it will turn on, so we'll leave it there. And then I'm letting the AC run, and then here are the instructions. The next thing it says to do is to set the air conditioner to recirc, so make sure it's in the recirc mode. So I'm going to turn that on the recirc mode. As you can see right here, it's on recirc, so it's going to recirculate the air that is in here. And then it says before using the product, set the air conditioner to the foot blow mode and turn on the power. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go up here. I'm going to stop it from the top, the face, and I'm just going to leave it on the foot. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to push this back more, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this product. And very important for you to leave the car while this is running. It will run for about 12 minutes, it says, and then it will automatically shut itself off. So it's very important that you leave the car, and then once you're done with the car, just open up the windows and let it vent. They say after the disinfectant is complete, if you don't need to get right in the car, keep the windows closed for 5 minutes, and if you do need to use the car, just open the windows and let the car air out. So that is exactly what we are going to do right now. We are going to press this button, and then once I press the button, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to get out of the video, out of the car, and then I'll come back in 12 minutes and we'll see what happens, and I'll let you guys know. So we're going to reach down here, and you can see it starting to disperse, and we're going to get out. Alright everyone, I just came back to check on my car, and as you can see, there's just a red light and it's no longer blinking. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I think it is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my door and let the car, I'm going to shut off the car and let it vent out. So let's see. So we're going to shut this off. Roll down all the windows. Shut the car off. And now I'm just going to let the car vent out, because I already let the car run with all the windows open. I let it run longer, so the car had all the windows closed to let it really set in. So now we're just going to leave the windows open and let it vent out for, I'm going to give it a good 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. So I'm now back in the car after letting the car air out for, I did about 10 minutes, and it definitely has a kind of weird smell after, but that's just the ozone being converted into oxygen, as it says that helps kill any of the bacteria, makes it smell better. Well, I would put an air freshener in after. It definitely has a more like neutral smell. I think it worked, in my opinion. It definitely smelled a little better, and the reason why you're running the AC, I think, is to get the ozone up into the actual condenser to hopefully get rid of any of the moldy smell that comes out from the condenser. If there's any mold or stuff on it, it's supposed to kill any bacteria. I'd say it smells better. I'm definitely going to run it. It says run it about every 20 days, and it should help. So I'm definitely going to run it again to see what happens. But so far, so good. It definitely smells better. If you guys have any questions about this actual product, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I will be putting a link to this product that I was sent out for a review. It's from an Amazon seller, and I'm pretty happy with the product. I can definitely recommend it. It made my car smell better. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last, but so far, it's definitely been better than any of the ozone stuff that I bought. Usually the ozone stuff doesn't really smell too good, and within a couple of minutes you can start to smell the crayon smell or the musty smell again from the AC. So far so good. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.